Hi, this is Sultan with MailMint, and today I'm here to show you how you can automate email marketing for TutorLMS using MailMint. You see, TutorLMS is one of the best LMS tools in WordPress where you can easily create and sell courses. And with MailMint, you can automate email marketing for these courses for several actions, such as whenever someone registers as a student or whenever someone completes a particular course and many more. Now in this video, I'm going to give you a quick overview of how you can automate TutorLMS using MailMint. And in the upcoming videos, I'm going to show you how you can create email automation for each of those scenarios so that you can then use them in your marketing tactics or business tactics for TutorLMS. Okay, so let's begin. As you can see, I'm on the MailMint dashboard and I have already installed and activated TutorLMS. Now do keep in mind that before you automate any emails, make sure to have all the settings properly configured in TutorLMS and also create at least one course over there before you come and set these things up in MailMint. Okay, so I've already done that. I've already created a course. You can see this is a course I have. So now let's move on to show you how you can automate email marketing for TutorLMS. Just go to automations under MailMint and let's create an automation. And let's start from scratch. Okay, and here let's just name it welcome email for new student. So what I'm going to do in this automation is I'm going to create an automation workflow to welcome the students whoever registers for the first time. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to click on start first time. Okay, to create an automation, you click on select a starting point, and here you can see there are several options. On the top, go to TutorLMS tab. Here you can see you have 6 different options: student registrations, after course enrollment, instructor approved, enrollment removed, complete a course, and complete a lesson. So all of this can help you create automated workflows for different scenarios. For example, for student registration, whenever someone registers through the registration form, they'll enter this automation workflow. Then after course enrollment, this is when someone enrolls to a particular course, and then you can shoot out an email to let them know about this. Okay, and then there's this instructor approved. So in case you are allowing instructors to apply to your site, so that they can submit their courses over here, then this is the trigger you can use to bring them into this automated workflow. And then there's the enrollment removed, means if you have removed someone from a certain enrollment, you can trigger this automation workflow and then send out an email to let them know. Then there's this too, for completion of a course or completion of a lesson. After this, let's say you want to congratulate them, you can bring them into this automation and then send out an email. So for this video, I'm just going to show you how you can automate sending an email after someone registers as a student. So let's choose student registration, and after selecting that, what I can do is I can choose what actions to take. So let's say I'm going to choose add to list. So I'm going to add them to a particular list whenever they register. New student. So let's say that's the list I want to add them to. Okay, you can add them to any list you want. What this means is that this student, after registering, is going to be added in the contact list for MailMint under this particular list that I just selected. Okay, now do remember that when you have double opt-in enabled, if someone registered, that person is not going to go through the automation unless they confirm the double opt-in. But you can bypass that by adding an extra step over here by choosing create contact. At that time, you just choose the status as subscribed. So whenever someone registers, instead of getting an email for double opt-in, you're automatically marking them as subscribed, so they don't need to confirm twice. Once registered, you then can follow them through other email automation workflows. Now in my side, I have double opt-in enabled. So whenever someone is going to register as a student, they're going to get a confirmation email. So they're not going to be going through the automation unless they confirm that. But I don't want that. I don't want to create those friction. So what I'm just going to do is I'm going to add this extra step and mark them as subscribed. And then there's this step called added to list. And after that, I want to send an email. In this email, I want to welcome the student to my course platform. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. I can design this email, and I can choose any of the email templates over here. So let's say I'm just going to choose this one, and there you go. So I can design this email however I want. For the sake of this video, I'm just going to keep it as is, just to show you that it works. And once this is ready, just click on start workflow, and your automation is now active. So now whenever someone registers on the site as a student, that person will be entering this automation workflow. Okay, now let's go ahead and see this in action. So this is my course site. I have opened this in incognito, and I've also opened the registration form on the right side. So let's go ahead and register. And then let's go for basic username CSS123. Okay, that's just for test purpose, and I'll just name it Sultan at getwpfunnels.com. And let's just put a little difference and set a password to Sultan123, Sultan123. Okay, so let's say that's the password I'm using for this dummy account, and I'll just copy and confirm it, and I'll register. Okay, and once registered, I will be redirected to my account. Okay, but by now I've already entered the automation workflow. Now this is how I have set it up. You can set it up to redirect to the courses page so that they can see what courses are available. That would be the best option to do here. I didn't do that. I just wanted to redirect them to the account page, but that's not the best practice. Okay, and after they're logged in, if I reload, you can see that now I have the option to add it to the cart and proceed to purchase the course, and then I get access to the course. Okay, but meanwhile, as I said, that the automation is already on the way. So let's go back to Mailmint and let's reload this page and then enable stats. And there you go. You can see that there is one person that went through this automation. There was a trigger, contact created, added to list, and an email has been sent. So let's go ahead and look into the contacts of Mailmint. And there you go. You can see that this email has been added, and it has been added under the list new student. Now let's go ahead and look at the email logs to see that the email has been sent out to this email. So I have Fluent SMTP set up, but what I did was I didn't allow the emails to be sent out because this is a test site. But let's go to the email logs, and you can see that this email has been attempted to be sent. Okay, but this failed because I didn't allow it. But let's preview this, and you can see this is the email I just set up in the automation workflow, and that has been sent. All right, so just like that, what you can do is you can create automation workflow for all the other type of scenarios for TutorLMS. So what I'm going to do is that next I'm going to create a few videos about each and every one of these triggers, explaining the different scenarios when you will need them, and also show you how you can create these automated emails. And within the emails, I'll also show you how to use personalization tags so that you can mention the course names and other important things to make this personalized. All right, so that's it. That's how easily you can use Mailmint with TutorLMS. And hopefully when you start using Mailmint together, you'll have higher productivity and more engagement with your students. All right, so especially when they have scenarios where someone just enrolled to a course, you can send out an automated email with a coupon to buy maybe other related courses, or when someone completes a course, you can offer them to buy the next course, maybe the intermediate level, and so on. You can do so much more with this automation. Okay, so hopefully in my next few videos I'll be able to explain all of that so that you can actively use this along with TutorLMS and increase your course sales. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in one of my future videos. Take care.